On this episode, we're changing the oil. 1979 Fiat 124 Spider. So it's a low. So the car's too low to the ground for me to crawl under. So I jack it up. I put it on jack stands. There's lift points right there, and there's some on the back. You can see them with the little downward tabs. So this thing is a 12 millimeter Probably should have got a rag. And then, while that's still draining, we can take this oil filter off. We can take this oil filter off. We can take this oil filter off. There we go. Sometimes they make these pans big enough to where you can do both at once. But that's why we have a rag. We're using the Wix 51189. With these vertical mount filters, you can preload them a little bit. When the motor starts, the filter is going to be empty, and it'll take a split second for the rest of the oil to flow. So you preload it a little bit, and then the car's not so dry when you turn it on, and it's a good way to spill it and get this O-ring covered. Just trying not to drip it down the sides. So putting it on is pretty easy. Just put it up there and turn it. Once it bottoms out and the rubber gasket's touching, you want to give it about 3/4 of a turn, half a turn, just to where it's kind of snug up in there. That's pretty good. You saw me struggle to take it off. This one doesn't have the grippers on it for the next time, so it'll be even more difficult. Tighten it down. So we're done. We're done under the car. It's always going to take at least a gallon, so I'm going to put a gallon in there. Then we're going to drop it down, turn it on, and top it off. So we can verify we have oil. Yes. We're right below the max mark, which is acceptable. And we'll see how much it drains back when we turn it on. So we went down to about half. So we will add about half a quart. My rag. Lost my rag. It's right there. Dummy. So we're almost to the max. Look underneath, check for drips, but it's fine. So, oil change complete. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.